You get married and then suddenly begin to look down people who are single. You obtain your visa and then suddenly begin to look down on people who have never left the country. You buy a house and then look down on renters. You buy a car and then suddenly look down on people who are using public transport. You get a job and then look down on people who are unemployed. You give birth and then look down on people who are still bearing. You don't notice the pattern? Every time God blesses you, pride enters your heart. Pride causes you to look down at people who appear to be behind because they're not where you used to be. Proverbs 16 verse 18 states that pride goes before a fall. Beloved in Christ, you have reached a new dimension by grace. You have changed levels by His mercy, and I am extremely happy for you. But please don't fall into the trap of pride.
Aha, what's your